located. Yeah, try different methods. When you fuck your girl and you realize that through sex, through normal penis penetration, she doesn't come, then try the finger method. That finger method is not, you don't just, when people hear fingering, they think it's only when you just take your middle finger and dip inside the girl's vagina. No, it's not all about that. Some girls finger them from now to the next generation. It won't make any difference. They will not come. You only end up turning them on and on and on, but they will never ever come. So the best way is change pattern. Do you understand? Don't just put your finger inside the vagina and then you're digging in and out like there's something you put there you're trying to locate. Try focus on the clitoris. Do you understand? Massage the clitoris, stimulate it, make sure she's wet. If she's not wet, dip your finger into your mouth. Just make your own finger wet and then focus on her clitoris. Start rotating very gently. Don't do it hard though. Rotate it and then gradually add pressure to it. Add a little pressure, not too much, because if you do it much, if you make it very hard, she's going to feel pain. So gradually put pressure to it and keep rotating. Rotate as just gently, like this. See how my finger is going. Rotate. Some people just start pressing, fingering. No, it's not all about finger. Okay, even if you want to finger her, see the way my finger is. Insert the finger and then use your thumb to massage her clitoris as well. Do you understand? Insert the finger into her. As you're fingering, you massage. You finger, you massage. Make sure you do it continuously. You see her building up, and you watch. The more you stimulate her clitoris, you see it swell. It will become engorged. You understand? That is when you know that the cum is building, and in no time she will vibrate as usual. You understand? That is when you know she has come. This thing is simple. I don't know why it's hard for guys. You don't just pick somebody's daughter and then fuck her aimlessly, you release and it's done. You expect her to feel satisfied. No. So many girls don't say this thing. They don't really say how they feel, but you don't satisfy them. And they feel telling you that you don't satisfy them makes you, as in, hurt your ego. So they just carry it in mind until the day they will jam someone that will give them, as in, make them come with reckless abandon. And then you are like, they'll bench you. Do you understand? So sometimes if you finger, there are girls that are hardcore. No matter how you stimulate, no matter how you finger, they will not still come. Now try your tongue. Go down on them. Use your tongue. Suck. Sometimes when you suck, some people just lick like this. That one is so outdated. You don't just go down on a girl and you're just doing your tongue like what I don't know because you're trying to suck her clitoris. No. When you lick it, just know how to change style, know how to change pattern. You lick a little, then you suck. She wants you to suck her. Sometimes you pack both the labia, the clitoris, the whole pussy. Pack everything and use your lips, as in suckle everything the way you're sucking someone's nipple. You know when you're sucking a girl's breast and you're trying to like suck everything like you're licking orange. You know how you lick orange? You know how you try to make everything get into your mouth and you press and you suckle them. Simple. That is how you should put your lip into her pussy and then try to suckle everything. You do it continuously during it. You see when you suck her labia, if that is where the pleasure, where she gets pleasure, just watch her reaction. Sometimes when you touch her clitoris, she reacts in a different way. When you suck her labia, she reacts in a different way. When you dip your tongue into her vagina, she reacts a different way. So follow the one she reacts the reaction is very high. Follow that one. Maintain it. Put pressure on it with your mouth and keep sucking and sucking. In no time, she will come. Do you understand? Then there are some people too that through penetration they come, like normal penis penetration. It will make them come, even squirt. Now, some girls will take time, and if you have a 2 minutes guy, like they'll just thrust like 10-15 thrusts, less than 2 minutes he has come. You'll not be able to reach there. Some girls, no matter how horny they are, you have to bang them. You have to bang them several times. You have to bang them from like 10, 15, 20 minutes before they get to that peak, before they blow up. You understand? So those kind of girls need men that last longer in bed. But if you're handed a package, a short-term package, a package that does not last, like short time, sharp, the guy don't release, then you have to improvise. You have to look for other ways. You have to use your hands. You have to use your your tongue. Do you understand? And girls, communicate with these men, help them. If they don't know how to locate your clitoris, tell them. Some of them will go and start fingering you aimlessly. Take their hand and direct them to where you know that when they touch that place, it drives you nuts. It makes you go crazy. Life is that simple. Do you understand? As long as you're having sex, why not do it the right way? Why not enjoy it? You are doing this thing for God's sake. For you to do it, then enjoy it. Enjoy it is as simple as that. Stop doing change like when you want to make love. So many girls will just lie down on bed, normal missionary style. That's what is written in the Bible. Some wives are like that as well. They don't care. Once you just do sharp, Papa Emeka do and calm down, and that's the end. No, my sister, that is how will you enjoy the pleasure. Sex is very nice. It feels, the feeling is out of this world. So when you are doing it with your husband or your boyfriend, do it the way you would feel satisfied. If he does not satisfy you, then change positions. There are so many styles. The scissors, the flip, the advanced doggy. If you want to do the missionary, then make it advanced as well. Don't do the normal old school missionary style. Sometimes when he's on top of you, try to put your legs on his shoulders. Do you understand? Place your legs on his shoulders, or even use your feet to, as in place on his breast, his chest. Use it to balance him, to hold him while he's thrusting in and out of you. It will make you, or sometimes too, raise your hips a little. Use both hands to take your hips up to meet him, like, you know, go with the flow as he's banging you. It's easy. Sometimes to ride him, go around on him, give him the 360, like sit on him and ride him. That way the dick will be able to touch all the walls, even reach your G-spot. These things are easy. I am tired of girls coming to my inbox telling me that they don't come. They've not come. Some even actually ask you, what does it mean? So we go as far as asking you, what is the clitoris and where is located? Girls, haba. If you don't know these things, if you don't come, stop having sex. Stop having sex until you know your body, until you study and learn how to enjoy it. Stop doing it. It's just like you eating a food you don't like, eating a food that is not good for your body, that doesn't satisfy. You keep eating it, and tomorrow you are eating about something you don't like, and you're always complaining. You're eating something that does not favor you, and you're always complaining. It is high time women started to get satisfied sexually. You don't let the men off all the time. Every now and then, every little thing, men will come. Sharp, they will come and they will bounce off you. And then you just dress up and that is all. You deserve to come. Every woman deserves to come. In fact, it is evil for you to keep knocking and knocking till now and you've not come. Madam, up your game. Oga, please, enough is enough.